Hello, all. So, whether you should contact your person or not, this is a very high confusion in this manifesting community, and I have no clue that why you guys create no contact rule. Now, when I'm preaching you here, I also did it once because I was advised to create this no contact rule. Later, I have analyzed that why exactly this happens, that coaches ask you to create a no contact rule or don't call him, okay? Just let him call you. See, you need to understand the perspective because of which you stop calling that person. You stop calling that person because this person was misbehaving with you and you really do not want to tolerate that. That makes sense. Please stop calling. Okay. But if you stop calling just because you think that you will manipulate somebody, or just because psychologically you think that if you give this person a space, or if you are just going to be away from this person will start missing you. Okay. You are highly mistaken. If you are doing it from this point of view, you will keep on waiting. Months and months will pass by, and you will be the one waiting that it is 1 month now, it is 2 months now, it is 3 months now, and I am not receiving any call. Because look at you, what you are doing. Okay, you are creating a no contact rule in the hope that this person will realize your value, your worth, and will come back to you. Unless you are realizing your worth and value, this is never going to happen. Again, let's get back to the basics, please. Manifestation is about you are already that person who is in a contact, who is in constant contact. Then why are you creating a no contact rule for yourself? You are just creating more resistance for yourself. Long months of no contact yourself, long months of silence yourself, and you are feeling that great anxiety within that what if this person never calls you back? Now, even if you are affirming for him to connect with you, that we are more and more in contact, he loves to talk to me, she loves to talk to me. Still, if there comes a time when you really miss this person, you can connect with this person. Now, I am not really recommending that you call every single day and you call all the time, but I am sure that you must be dealing with that one phase at times during this journey when you are affirming and you really miss this person. You want to talk sometime, okay, to break that silence that really kills you. Okay, I advise that you please go talk. Just call, simply call without any fear. Okay, approach out of love that, okay, we are in a beautiful relationship, we are together. He or she is really into me, really loves me, and it is safe for me to call. Call that person, have a normal chit chat. Now, what you should actually not do is that most of the time you call somebody believing that let me just see the results of my affirmation. Now it's been a month that I'm saying so and so affirmation. Now let me see if my person is actually changed or not. Don't call to see the results of your affirmations, please. And also, let's say when you are connected with this person and this person is just talking normally to you about so many things, maybe not just about relationship. Don't wait and stretch the conversation to just see, no, he must talk about relationship, he's not talking about relationship, he is still not the changed person, all my affirmations are waste. Celebrate this conversation, celebrate and see it as a win, that there was such a silence between us, at least we are talking. This is just the beginning, just the unfolding, okay, of my manifestation, which is a pure, beautiful, proper relationship. All right, don't look the shadow of your affirmation in that person's whatever conversation that you are having with this person. Okay, so don't call to see whether or not my affirmations are working. Okay, don't call if you are really not able to manage yourself in case the call is not picked up. That is the main part. If you can manage yourself, fine. If he picks, it's okay. If he doesn't pick, it's okay. I am still the person who is in a relationship. It is absolutely fine. Do call. If you need more help on this, please connect with me. I did it many times. And don't think that I'm a robot. My another channel is there wherein you can see my face also. Please share your journey in the comment section and I will love to reply. Thank you.